More pictures of the dining table and couch, full-size couch that pulls out into a little bed. As you see, lots of storage and all wood cabinetry. This is not your cheap run-of-the-mill weekend campers. They have purchased a newer camper, and so that is why this one is being offered for sale. Here's the steps going up into the master bedroom. Leads into the master bedroom here. As you see, a queen size bed. Behind those glass doors is your clothes closet. More storage area. There's your TV for the bedroom. And then the bedroom has the bathroom, stool, and shower, walk-in shower. There's the sink for the master bedroom. It also has a door that the other occupants can use to come in to shower.